And the next one, R value 6%. R value is 6%, and time is 3. Hello. Hello.
Sir.
Yes, Nana. వినబడుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you don't worry about that. I will prepare the video and send you. I will send prepare video and send to you. Don't worry. Today's class I will send the video. Okay.
Answer is 918, sir.
918. Yes, very good. Who's that?
Sir.
918 is 100% correct answer. Who is that? May
Sir.
Sindhuja. Very good, Sindhuja Nana.
Sir.
Who? Sindhuja. Sindhuja?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good, Sindhuja. Superb. Can you explain how you got that?
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, you said no, sir, 1.5 year that. As usually I did, sir. Now only I started.
Okay.
We are taking first year, second year, sir, like that, sir.
Okay.
So I have to first year, sir. Already 600 for years.
Okay.
So I took second one.
Okay.
Second one I got 636, sir. So 1.5 years, sir. So I divided with 2, sir, because 1.5 years, not 2 years, sir. So I divided with 2, sir. Then I got 318. It's for half year, sir.
Yes.
1 year we got 600, sir. Half year I got 318, sir.
Okay.
I added both. I got 918.
Okay. Can anybody able to see my screen? Can you see my screen that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How I am doing
Yes,
that?
sir.
Yes, see that
Yes,
screen?
sir.
This is the answer. What I am did here, 318, and addition of these two numbers is 918. Answer. Simple calculation. See guys, what I am did here, first year I found that the interest of the 10,000, that is 6%. 10,000 into 6 by 100, that I got how much? 600. That is for the first year. Actually I have to copy this 600 here, yes or no? But what I am did here, instead of the copy of 600, I did only that copy 300 because of half year na. So I have to copy from here also half. That is 300 by 600 by 2, how much? 300. I copied here how much? 300. Now again find that this 6% rate of interest on this 300. 300 into 6 by 100, I got how much? 18. 300 plus 18, 318. Then add these two numbers, you will get that how much? 918. 918, you will get the answer. Clear? Hello?
Sir, why we took 6 by 100, sir?
6%, Nana. 6%. 6% means 6 by 100, na. We have to calculate 6% of interest on 10,000. Okay. మనకు రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? 6% ఇచ్చాడు కదా. అది దేని మీద క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి? ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ మీదనే కదా. సో 10,000 into 6 by 100. నాకు వచ్చిన ఇంట్రెస్ట్ హౌ మచ్ ఐ గాట్? 600 హియర్. యాక్చువల్గా ప్రీవియస్ కేస్ లో మనం లాస్ట్ 2 days నుంచి చేసింది ఏంటిది? ఐ హావ్ టు కాపీ హియర్ హౌ మచ్? 600. But I didn't copy the 600 here. How much I copied? 300 only. Because of his what? Half year. Because of half year. Off means I have to copy from here how much? Off. For example, 3/4 is there. 3/4 of year. Then how much I have to copy? From the 600, 3/4 you have to copy. How much the time? That much you have to copy. For example, 600 is there. 600 into 3/4. How much you will get? 4 ones are 4 ones are remains is 2, 4 fives are 0, 150. 153s are 152s are 300, 1 plus 3 150, that is 450. So you have to copy here how much? 450. According to that your time, you have to copy from the here. Here in this particular problem there is a half year, 1.5. For 1 year this much, for a half year half of the amount this, that is 300 here. Clear? Hello guys, anybody have any doubts? Any doubts?
Sir, explain again, sir.
Yeah, do you want explanation again? Okay, actually our principal is 10,000 na? Our principal is 10,000, that is, can I write 10k? And time is equal to how much? Time is equal to 3 by 2. Yeah, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 years means, can I write 1.5 years? 3 by 2 can I write 1.5 years. And rate of interest is equal to how much? Rate of interest is equal to 6%. Then they are asking CI. Actually, if there is a 1 year or 2 years are there, how to solve the problem? First year and second year. If 2 years are completed, then this is the process. Actually, for example, if they're 3 years, then you can write 3 also here. Then go for the how to find the first year interest. What we did in the previous case. So principal, that is the 10,000 into 6%, that is 6 by 100. Percent means 6 by 100. Cancel it, 20 cancel. 100 into 6, 600. That is a first year interest. For the going to the second year, in the previous case, what I did, just I copied 600 here, yes or no? But in this particular case, I don't want to copy the 600 as it is. I have to copy that how much? 300 only, because of ikkada 1.5 on this 1.5 years, 1 year is completed, yes or no? Remaining how much? Half year, that is 6 months. For the 6 months, that is a half year na? So while I am calculating half year interest, I have to copy from here half amount only of principal only. That is how much? 600 is there. Half kabatti nenu enta teeskunna by 2, 600 by 2, that is 300. Ikkada 300 teeskunna. Now again what to do? Again calculate that this 300 on 6%. 6%, 6 by 100, 300 into 6%. 20 cancel. 6 plus 6 into 3, 18. Right here 18. Add these two numbers. Addition of these two numbers how much? 318. Interto అయిపోయిందా లేదా? Your problem is finished or not? Or final, if there is any third year? No. First year completed. Second, in the second year only half year is completed. They are asking that much only. Then after completion of that, what is your job? Just add these two numbers. That is the answer. 600 plus 18, 300, 900. 900 plus 18, 918. 918 is your answer. Any doubts? Hello. Hey guys, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, now you understood. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah, just copy the problem. I will give the one important problem. Just copy this. I will give one more problem to you. Sidhu sir. Yes, the next question is a sum of money. A sum of money doubles. Sum of money doubles itself at compound interest at CI compound interest CI in 15 years. In how many years? In how many years? In how many years it will become 8 times? It will become 8 times. ఎక్కడో చూసినట్టు కొడుతుందా క్వశ్చన్? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where we already solved the,
We did, I think, sir.
we already completed this answer, this question.
Simple interest.
In the simple, very good.
Yes, sir.
In the simple interest, the same problem in compound interest. Now first your job is, can you tell me that answer in the simple interest first? After that I will go to the compound interest.
Sir, answer 45. Yeah, sir.
40. Yeah, repeat
5.
again. Siddharth, repeat again, Siddharth.
Answer 44. Sir.
40, 46 or 45? Yeah.
45.
45 is the correct answer in compound interest. Yes, Siddharth. In CI,
Yes, sir.
answer is 45 years. Very good, Siddharth. Super. Okay, guys. And I will send you the few questions to you. You solve the problems. Let me know how many are doing the correct answers. For this question, answer is 45 years. In compound interest, answer is 45 years. In simple interest, you know that how much is that. And yeah, this is take as a challenge, and I will send the few questions, 10 questions, top 10 questions based on the CA and SI. Try to solve the questions and send your answers to me. If you have any doubts regarding that, then we will take the next class in those questions. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Sir.
Tell me now.